Hello guys, I'm doing my unboxing of my new DJI Mini 3 Pro and let's do it. Okay, so it came with the drone. Here you go. That's the drone itself. Okay. And next one is the controller. This controller, you don't need to use your phone anymore because it has its own control. All right, so that's the thing. And we got some cords to go with it, and screwdriver, and some propellers. So okay, so that's about it. The new Mini 3 DJI Mini 3 Pro. This one has sensor. These two are front sensor. You know, when you're flying and then there's an object in front of it, it will either stop or bypass it. It depends on how you program it. All right. And that's it. Thank you guys. See you soon.